Hi, welcome along everyone. Been asked to look at the lady's gutters for her that have been leaking, running over, and she has a fair bit of trouble with them. So I'm going to show you the video that I managed to take of it and show you some of the problems you can get with gutters and what exactly goes wrong and why some people get a lot of trouble with them, others get nothing at all. So I've asked the lady for permission to this video. She said fine. Also, if you're not converse about ladders and ladder safety, please do not use them. Do not go up the roof if you are unsure. Do look up ladder safety and you'll find all you need to know about using them. Okay, that in mind, let me show you this particular gutter and the problems associated with it. So first off, this is the gutter joint that is leaking, and as you can see there's mastic down one side. It's been looked at already. Someone has mastic it up and hoping that that was going to seal it. Now, I'm afraid when it comes to these things, unless you put new rubbers in there, in the seals, forget it, because there really is no hard and fast answer. It really is best to replace the whole of the bracket. So that's the connecting bracket. I've cleared away inside so you can see, but it looks fine, but there's mastic on both sides of this. So this has been a long-standing problem. The only way I can do this is to actually renew the bracket. So that's one to look out for. So secondly, as you can see, there is a liner from the roof going right the way along. You can see a little bit of vegetation right down there on the end, as you can see there, right down there, and that liner is not helping the flow of this gutter. Also, it's very long and has only got one downpipe. Now sometimes there's not much you can do about that. It's the way some places are designed. But if we could cut some of this out and clean it out so that we've got this kind of thing here instead, where it's clear. I'll cut around this joint because I've got to renew it anyway, and cut this right back. Sometimes it just tears back. Still leave it so it's going in the gutter. It's still a good thing, but not right in the gutter. You know, I mean, this amount here is just too much. And looking up the other side, as you can see, there's another little bit of vegetation growing there, and you can see that moss is the main problem with this roof. It comes off and goes into the gutter there, and it obviously will keep filling it up. This is another common problem, I'm afraid, which sometimes means having your roof completely cleaned off of moss to get rid of this problem with the gutter blocking with moss. So you can see I've now scraped this bit here a bit, getting some of it out, and you can wash it right out if you want to be that particular. And I've torn that bit of extra roofing insulation back to give that gutter a bit of clearance there for that bit. And you can see I've got to carry on once I get beyond that part there, because it carries on. I've got to get that all out, help the run of this guttering. Okay, that's about it. Just a little quickie on gutters. They're obviously just labour intensive, aren't they, clearing them all out, but they're little things to look out for on joints especially. Okay, and that's obviously the square line. There's also round, and there's also the old galvanised you might have, and in some places there's still asbestos gutter up there. Again, if you get an asbestos gutter leak, don't even bother, get the whole lot down, put it brought down professionally, but don't even bother going and look at it. Okay, asbestos is a whole different ball game altogether. We're not going into that one. Okay, that's about it from myself. See you again next time. All my stuff, you know, to go Derek 33. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.